The nature of man's struggle. The nature of man's struggle with his carnal self. Men and women must replace fear with courage, intolerance with understanding, desires with a strong will, self with helpfulness to others. Man must change his propensity to do evil in order to satisfy his carnal nature and replace it with one of love and righteousness. When man has achieved his purpose, overcome his carnal self, clothed with love and righteousness, he shall regain his lost heritage and again be one with God.